Welcome to a journey across Australia, a land where wild nature and vibrant cities collide in truly spectacular fashion. Today, we'll unveil some of the most breathtaking places to visit, each a testament to the continent's extraordinary diversity. The adventure begins now. Beneath the rolling waves of Australia's northeastern shores, where the ocean meets the sky in a dazzling display of blues and greens, lies the Great Barrier Reef, a living mosaic stretching over 2,300 kilometers, visible even from space. This immense underwater world is the largest coral reef system on Earth, a breathtaking expanse that supports an extraordinary diversity of life. Corals, tiny yet mighty, build intricate structures that create a vibrant habitat teeming with life. Their colors and shapes form a mesmerizing underwater city, sheltering countless creatures. Here, parrotfish graze on algae, clownfish dart among protective anemones, and graceful sea turtles glide effortlessly above the coral gardens. Sleek reef sharks patrol the crystal-clear waters, while schools of fish shimmer and swirl in dazzling patterns, all thriving in this underwater paradise. This ecosystem is a delicate balance, each creature playing a vital role in maintaining the health and harmony of the reef. From the tiniest shrimp to the largest predator, every organism is connected in a web of life. Snorkeling or gliding above the reef, visitors are struck by its sheer abundance and beauty. The kaleidoscope of colors and movement beneath the surface leaves a lasting impression on all who witness it. Yet, the reef is also a powerful reminder of our planet's interconnectedness and its fragility. Climate change, pollution, and human impact threaten this natural wonder, making its protection more urgent than ever. To witness its splendor is to feel both awe and responsibility. Each visit inspires a deeper appreciation and a call to action to preserve this irreplaceable treasure for generations to come. Let's marvel at this living masterpiece and remember the urgent call to protect it, so its beauty and life may endure far into the future. In Sydney, the Opera House rises like sails above the harbour, a symbol of creativity and vision. Ferries and kayaks animate the sparkling waters, while the Royal Botanic Garden offers a tranquil green escape. The Sydney Harbour Bridge invites adventurers to climb for panoramic views. Along the waterfront, cafes and markets buzz with life, blending old and new. Here, nature and culture meet in harmony, inspiring us to dream bigger. Sydney's icons remind us of the power of imagination. Deep in Australia's red centre stands Uluru, a sandstone giant sacred to the Anangu people. Rising dramatically from the flat desert, Uluru is more than a landmark. It is a living, breathing presence that has watched over this land for countless generations. Its colours shift with the sun, painting the rock in fiery reds and soft purples, while ancient rock art etched into its surface tells stories of connection, spirit, and survival. These markings are a testament to the enduring culture of the Anangu, who have lived here for tens of thousands of years. At dawn and sunset, Uluru glows with an almost magical light, casting long shadows across the desert sands. The changing hues create a breathtaking spectacle, drawing visitors from around the world to witness this daily transformation. Silence and awe fill the air, inviting reflection on the deep bond between people and place. In these quiet moments, the vastness of the outback and the sacredness of Uluru inspire a sense of peace and wonder. Guided by indigenous wisdom, visitors learn to respect and tread lightly, discovering the ancient traditions and stories that shape this land. The Anangu share their knowledge generously, teaching the importance of caring for country. Uluru is not just seen, but felt, with reverence and humility. Standing before it, many are moved to quiet reflection, sensing the deep spiritual energy that radiates from this sacred place. Here, the timeless beauty of Australia's heart endures, reminding all who visit of the power of nature, culture, and the stories that connect us across time. Off Queensland's coast, the Whitsundays shimmer. 74 islands surrounded by turquoise seas and white sands. Whitehaven Beach dazzles with its pure silica sand, while gentle winds guide sailors through hidden coves. Beneath the surface, manta rays, dolphins, and vibrant fish abound. On land, lush forests and scenic lookouts await exploration. The islands are a haven for wildlife and a sanctuary for those seeking escape. Whether sailing, snorkeling, or relaxing, the Whitsundays offer pure tranquility. Here, time slows and nature's treasures shine. Journey north to the Daintree Rainforest, the world's oldest tropical rainforest. Towering trees, rare cassowaries, and tree kangaroos fill this ancient living museum. Rivers wind through the jungle, home to crocodiles and turtles. Guided walks reveal deep connections between land and indigenous culture. Medicinal plants and sacred sites tell stories of resilience and survival. The Daintree humbles with its complexity and enduring beauty. To wander here is to witness life's persistence. In Melbourne, creativity thrives in the city's laneways, narrow alleys transformed into vibrant canvases. Street art bursts with colour and meaning, reflecting the city's dynamic spirit. Hidden cafes, boutiques, and record stores invite exploration. Festivals and live music spill into the streets, blending heritage with the avant-garde. Melbourne's laneways celebrate diversity and community. Here, art and life intertwine in unexpected ways. Beauty awaits the curious traveller around every corner. Along Victoria's rugged coastline, the iconic 12 Apostles rise majestically from the swirling sea, towering limestone pillars sculpted over millions of years by the relentless forces of wind and waves. These natural monuments stand as silent witnesses to the ever-changing dance between land and ocean, their shapes constantly evolving as the elements carve and reshape them. At dawn, the first golden rays of sunlight bathe the ancient rocks, casting long shadows and illuminating their textured faces, while seabirds wheel and dive overhead, filling the air with life and movement. Walkways and scenic trails wind along the cliffs, offering breathtaking vistas of this dramatic coastline. Visitors pause in awe, taking in the sweeping views of the wild southern ocean and the towering stacks that have become a symbol of Australia's natural beauty. The Apostles remind us of nature's immense power and the fleeting nature of beauty. Each pillar is a testament to resilience, yet also to impermanence, as wind and water slowly wear them away. Each year, the restless sea reshapes the landscape, carving new forms and erasing old ones, a living record of time's relentless march and the ongoing story of creation and erosion. Here, at the edge of the world, we are invited to pause and reflect on our own place within nature's grand story, feeling both humbled and inspired by the vastness before us. The Southern Ocean's sentinels stand tall, inspiring awe, wonder, and a deep sense of humility in all who witness their enduring beauty. Tasmania is a wild sanctuary. Rainforests, rugged peaks, and mirror-like lakes define its landscape. Cradle Mountain towers above ancient forests alive with unique wildlife, including the Tasmanian devil. Trails reveal waterfalls, alpine meadows, and untouched wilderness. Adventure and solitude coexist, offering space to reconnect with nature. Aboriginal heritage and convict history are woven into the land. Every journey here is an encounter with nature at its most elemental. Tasmania invites us to embrace the wild and cherish its enduring power. Thank you for joining this journey through Australia's wonders. May you carry curiosity and respect for the world's wild places wherever you go. Until next time, keep wandering. Total lines per scene. Scene 1, 3 lines. Scene 2, 7 lines. Scene 3, 6 lines. Scene 4, 7 lines. Scene 5, 7 lines. Scene 6, 7 lines. Scene 7, 7 lines. Scene 8, 7 lines. Scene 9, 7 lines. Scene 10, 3 lines.